Alright, we're back. I think this is video number 4, probably is video number 3, but I don't remember. So we're going to call this video number 4. So we got everything lined up here on the G-Box, or on the EIS according to how it's told on the AUTEL. So we got the EIS all wired up. So we're very carefully going to flip this mess around so it's in camera view there. We are going to hook up our pass-through device. Hooked up. And we're going to give it all the power. Powered up. Now we are going to hit OK. Now it says please connect the programmer. Programmer connection error. Please retry. Let's see, it hasn't connected the VCI yet, so we'll give it just a second while that powers up. While that powers up, we're going to get out the other part of where the magic happens. So, the blue cable, I know I got beat up when I was doing a review on the IM608 because I used the black cable because I didn't want to deal with this messy cable because it's always coiled nice and tight like this. So, blue cable. Don't beat me up. Blue cable. Blue cable always goes to the XP400, XP400 Pro. Blue cable. XP400. Alright, so that's been connected. Now we have our APB 102 IR key simulator. Plugs into the bottom of the XP400. And remember, never connect. I think the XP400 Pro is okay, but you're still not going to do it. You don't connect your OBD2 cable into here and then into the car because it blows this thing up. So no, only accessories like this, not your OBD2 connector. Alright, so let's try again. Please don't unplug the USB cable. Firmware upgrading. Usually doesn't take very long. As you see, it goes pretty quickly. I think I just updated this recently, so maybe that's why I don't usually recall updating very often. I got like 3 of these things, so it's always hard to keep track what's updated, what's not updated. There's always a subscription due for something. Alright, so it says follow this in sequence, yada yada yada, nobody really cares. But we're going to hit begin. It's going to say establishing vehicle connection. Warning, please follow the instructions, blah blah, do not disconnect the relevant connections. We're going to hit OK. Connect the device to OBD cable and OBD connector to the wiring harness in sequence. Success. Connect the IR key simulator to the programmer. And it's either going to get pissed that it's not in there or it's going to tell me to remove it and plug it in. So we're just going to go ahead and plug it in to the EIS. Alright, so it's happy there. Now it's collecting. It says insert the IR key simulator into the EIS. If it's already inserted, remove and insert again. So we'll go ahead and insert again. Getting password in progress. Please wait. The process takes 10 to 9 minutes. Takes longer for some vehicles. Please ensure the device and the vehicle battery are stable, sufficient during the process. Time consumed so far is 0 minutes. So this will go. You know, it could take up to 90 minutes. I don't think I've ever had one of these take 90 minutes. Usually these 210s go pretty quickly. So what we are going to do here is we're going to pause the video. I'm going to let this go up to 1 minute just to show you the counter. And then once it gets the password, we'll come back for, I believe that'd be video number 5. And then we'll pick up from there. So I can easily, hopefully, upload these videos one by one. So we'll just hang out here for a minute while this goes to 1 minute. And so far here, there's been nothing crazy. talking about other accessories with the G-Box, there's this adapter cable as well, and then there are a couple 120 ohm resistors in that package as well, depending on what you're doing. So like let's say you're working on DME using the G-Box, you will have to use the 120 ohm resistor because it does not have an internal 120 ohm resistance, so you will have to use the resistor that are provided to cross your can high and can low so it can communicate. So they're in there for there. There's a few packages of them there. I kind of stock 120 ohm resistors because they kind of do get kind of brittle, especially the ones they give you are kind of crappy, a couple time use, and they're not going to be good anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause this video. I'm going to go tame the dogs because clearly they're going nuts upstairs, and we'll come back after this password has been calculated, and I'll let you know how long it actually took. I don't expect it to take very long. If I had to guess, I'm going to say less than 15 minutes, and I think we'll have a password. So we'll come back here in just a few, and we'll pick up for video number 5.